I am Charlotte and I am the HR Manager at Hutchinson Engineering, responsible for all HR and training delivery, including policy development and compliance. Hutchinson Engineering's training ethos focuses on continuous learning, practical application of skills, employee development and mentoring. There are various career paths available for employees depending on their skills, interests and the needs of the company. These career paths range right from technical, skilled trades, production operative roles, right through to management. We are committed to ongoing people development, equipping the workforce of the future in terms of leadership and management skills, succession planning, and drawing new talent into the company. Our continual investment on this speaks volumes, which has resulted in a new HR and training centre where we will be launching the Crichton Hutchinson Training Academy later this year. The company culture at Hutchinson Engineering focuses on collaboration, innovation, employee empowerment, customer focus, integrity and work-life balance. We have a fantastic work culture, benefits and facilities, providing the best possible workplace environment, one of which we are very proud of. We are proud to be Investors in People Gold accredited. This is a significant achievement for us and has many positive implications for the employees. Investors in People Gold signifies that we prioritise employee development and have established effective systems and processes to support this. Our employees benefit from a structured approach to their personal and professional growth. Hutchinson Engineering is a great place to work because of its strong reputation, commitment to people development, collaborative culture, focus on innovation, and not to mention some great benefits which include an on-site gym, coffee machine, cycle to work scheme and flexible working hours.